Let's be honest. Every time you say, I'll do it tomorrow, or hit that snooze button, you're destroying your future one lazy choice at a time. While you're making excuses, someone else is living the dream you wish you had, all because they took consistent action while you stayed stuck in the comfort trap. Discipline isn't punishment. It's the gateway to freedom. The body you want, the career you dream about, the life that makes you proud in the mirror. It's all built from daily, disciplined effort. Yes, discipline can be hard for a moment, but regret lasts a lifetime and hurts far worse. Here's the harsh truth. Every second is a choice. Strength or weakness, growth or decay. No one makes this decision for you, and the consequences are permanent. If you're really ready to break the cycle and level up, drop "I'm locking in" the comments and commit to 90 days of relentless discipline. Your clock is ticking. Choose strength, choose freedom, and watch how quickly your life transforms.